I'm gonna be doing a sound demo with the mixer that I got like about 4 weeks ago. So this mixer right here is 600 watts RMS. These are 800 watts. So this will give like a lot of amount of power. Here's the main volume, main speaker volume, and here we turn the volume on each channels. So they sound really good with this mixer connected. And the song that I'm going to be playing, hopefully I don't get copyrighted. This is the song that I'm going to be playing. Get on with it. Play. And yeah, they sound really clear and they sound really good in person. With this mixer makes it 15% louder. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share my videos, tell my YouTube algorithm, and yeah, peace out everybody.